Hello everyone. Today we will introduce you to the bright bone and tissue level fixtures and the implant installation hands-on process. These displays show you the bone and tissue level fixture details. Let's start with the bright bone level. As you can see, the fixture diameters start from 3.5, then 4, 4.5, 5, and finally 6 mm. The diameters are also color-coded. The length of the fixtures starts from 7 mm and goes up to 30 mm. Now let's see the bright tissue level details. The fixture diameters here start from 2, then 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4, 4.5, 5. The color coding is slightly different. They are pink, light blue, gray, yellow, green, blue, and red. The length of the fixtures starts from 7 mm and goes up to 30 mm. For implant installation, our kit will be the Bright Surgical Lindemann kit, or shortly BSLK, which combines efficiency and innovation, designed to simplify procedures and deliver predictable results every time. The workflow always starts with the 2.5 mm guide drill. The kit also includes parallel pins, bone level adapter, tissue level adapter, and hex driver for both implant types. We also have a ratchet in our kit that helps us at the final steps of the implant installation, and we have a so-called depth gauge with which one side measures the osteotomy depth and the other side measures the gingival height from the top of the implant. Now let's install our bone level implant into our dentiform. As mentioned, we always start with the guide drill. When drilling, the ICT motor setting should be 1000 RPM and 35 Newton centimeters. After the guide drill, we go with the 3 mm drill. Then continue with the 3.5 mm diameter one. We can check the angle of our implant with the parallel pins that ensure that the installed implant is indeed parallel to the tooth next to it. We reached our final drill, which is the green 4 mm diameter drill. As you can see, the details of the drill tells us that it has a 4 mm length, so we are safe to use it for our fixture. Now that we have prepared our space for the fixture, we will install it. We are using the BFX4007 fixture. For the installation, we need the bone level adapter attached to the handpiece, so we can take out our fixture and place it in its place. We have to change our ICT motor settings to 20 RPM and 35 Newton centimeters. To ensure its stability, we will use a ratchet to finalize the implant installation. Always install the bone level implant 0.5 mm under the bone level. To finish our bone level implant installation, we add a cover screw, which will be overgrown by the gingiva. Later, the second phase of the procedure involves removing the cover screw and adding an abutment and leaving it for healing. Next, let's install our tissue level implant. Here we start also with the 2.5mm diameter guide drill. Our ICD motor setting is 1000 RPM and 35 Newton centimeters. After the guide drill, we go with the 3mm diameter drill. We can check again the angle of our implant with the parallel pin. Then we continue with the 3.5mm diameter drill. We reached our final drill again, which is the green 4mm diameter drill. For the tissue level, we are using the NTI 384007 fixture. For the installation, we need the tissue level adapter attached to the handpiece. We have to change our ICD motor settings to 20 RPM and 35 Newton centimeters. We can use the ratchet instrument again to finalize the implant installation. First, we have to remove the plastic cap with the hex driver. And then install our scan comfort cap with the hex driver. Both bi-tray impression scan and intraoral scan are available with scan comfort cap. Now we have installed both bone and tissue level implants. We hope you enjoyed our video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for new videos.